Good afternoon, my babies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making fried pork chops with string beans and white potatoes. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna season my pork chops with. It's going to be adobo, black pepper, Creole season by Tony Chacheres, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Okay, so let's get the seasoning. Okay, babies, I'm gonna put the water. I put the water in the pot for my string beans, and I also saute some onions and some bacon beforehand. So I'm gonna drop my string beans in here. And my potatoes. Some seasoning. And I'm gonna let them come. I'm gonna let them come to a boil. And I'm gonna cover it. Almost forgot the butter. Everything tastes better with butter. Make a little color for it. A little paprika, make it some color. Stir it up. We're gonna let that boil. Now I'm gonna start boiling. Excuse me, frying my pork chops. I have my flour here. My oil is extremely hot. I seasoned the flour a little bit with a little bit of honey chacheres, garlic powder, and onion powder, and a little bit of paprika. I'm just gonna turn it around the flour. Put it to fry in my pan. Hope it's still fit. Now it's small. It's gonna make it. Yeah. Okay, y'all, we cooking now. And I'll be right back when I flip them over. Okay, y'all, flip them over. And we're going to keep on going because we got 3 more to do. So, we get in there. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, babies. That concludes my video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.